Hello, hi, and today we're talking about 5 reasons why you should learn how to invest in property today. So first of all, before I go into that, let me just introduce myself. My name is Ken Ajoku. I'm a property investor. I've been investing in property for over 25 years. I'm very passionate about what I do. I run a number of companies all based around property. I do mentoring and also do teaching and coaching for my students as well. So without further ado, let me share my screen and then we'll show you all about the 5 reasons why you should learn about property investing today. So the first reason is a plan B. You must have a plan B. In this day and age with uncertainty, even if you've got a job, you don't know if you've got that job tomorrow. The way jobs are being restructured and reformatted these days, you don't even know what's going to happen tomorrow. So always have a plan B. Many people have been thinking about multiple streams of income. So have different streams of income coming in is another reason why. And that income should be passive. So you have passive income, passive cash flow that's coming in, which will give you an additional income and additional security to your investing. The second reason is security. Bricks and mortar is very, very stable. It's very secure. I've been investing just under 3 decades. And I have seen that property people need to live somewhere. People cannot stay without living somewhere. They have to have a roof over their head. So there's a UK shortage at the moment of property. So until that shortage is met, which I doubt is going to happen anytime in the near future, there's going to be a demand for property. As there's the demand for property, then surely, there's that's another reason why you need to secure your investment in property. The next one is a pension. Now, with the rising cost of living, pensions, in my opinion, will not be enough. Your pension will not be enough for you to sustain a good standard of living after retirement. So this is another reason why you should be thinking about learning how to invest in property. Now, number 4 is wealth. Equity and capital appreciation. Now, I've had one of my properties, for example, has gone up. The usual saying is every 10 years a property doubles in value. I've had one of the properties go up by 4 times. So, sometimes it's the case, sometimes it's not the case. I've had another property that has gone just over double in the last 10 years. So it is one of those situations where you buy and wait rather than you wait and buy. So you buy and wait for the appreciation rather than you wait to buy. That's something you should think about really, really strongly. So the secret to the equity is purchasing with equity in the property. So the properties we get what we call BMV, below market value, so that there's equity inside that property before we actually go through the whole purchasing process. And the last one, number 5, is leverage. Lending right now is at its all-time low. In the olden days, it used to be double digits. To borrow money, you would have to be paying interest on double digits. Right now, lending is quite low. So this is a good time to take advantage of that lending, use that leverage lending and leverage that money to buy property and grow a portfolio eventually. So how can you get started with all this? What I need you to do now is go to tinyurl.com/Kajoku quiz. In there, we have a quiz specially designed so that you can determine which type of investor profile you are. Take the quiz. It takes less than 1 minute to do. It generates a report and it gives you an idea of where you are as a property investor, where you could be, and it'll give you some ideas of what you need to do next to go to the next level. So don't delay. Hit on that link somewhere around the screen or go directly to tinyurl.com/Kajoku quiz and take that quiz and find out where you are as a property investor. I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Thank you. God bless you.